Hi everybody, welcome to week 5, I think this is week 5 of Science Lab at Home with Andrew and, what's your name?
Thomas.
And Thomas. So today we're going to go through our bread experiment, see what it looks like now after all these weeks. We're going to take a look at the crystal growing experiment we started last week. We have a new project that we're going to start. First, let's take a look at our bread. What does our bread look like today, Thomas?
The control is still nice and clean.
The control is still nice and clean. Yeah, look at the keyboard one. The clean hands one, this is interesting because it grew mold. I wasn't expecting it to grow any, but it's a weird white bacteria that's different from the other ones. And this has got to be the grossest one. Does that look tasty?
No.
No, it looks gross. So, again, just further evidence as far as why you need to wash your hands. Remember to fill out your observation sheet and color in what your bread looks like at this week. Next time I see you guys, please bring them to me and they'll be fun to share. But now for our crystal. Thomas, can you open up our crystal, please? Slow. Ooh, it's okay. I got the string right here. I'm gonna pull. Ooh, it's stuck a little bit. The crystals have grown and attached themselves to the side of the jar. I'm gonna reach down and break that up a little bit. Oh wow! This is why you can't let the string touch the bottom of the glass. Let's see. Ooh. Look at this. I'm pulling out big crystals. These are the ones that were floating right on top of the water. But
I started sinking.
yeah, look at that. I'm placing them on a plate so that they have a chance to dry. And this, the string. I'm gonna need a knife. Hold on, Thomas, hold that string. Hold that string, don't let go.
Whoa.
Okay, Thomas, don't pull your hand back out. Let go. Let go. It's okay. The string, when I put it in, the string swung to the side a little bit and touched the side of the glass right there.
It tastes pretty good, Dad.
It does taste pretty good because it's all sugar. And the crystals grew onto the side of the glass. So I'm going to use this butter knife. Just break it. There we go. And now, look at that.
Rock candy.
Rock candy. These are all the sugar crystals that grew right onto the string. Again, because it was a super saturated solution, there was so much sugar in the water that the water couldn't hold all of it. So once the water started to cool, it was looking for places to grab onto. And that's why it found the string and the sides of the glasses, and you'll even see some forming on the bottom. Anyway, stop licking the syrup. You're getting sticky. Anyway, it's okay. When this is dried, Thomas, you can eat it. And you can eat yours that you did at home. Now, for this week's experiment, we're going to do something really interesting involving black markers. So, Thomas, give me the black markers.
We got that, most my art kit, and the black markers from the art kit.
That's right. So, what Thomas is saying is, if you have different black markers at home, different brands, grab those and you can use them. Each one will give you a different result. It'll be interesting to compare. Next, we need scissors.
Scissors.
Thank you. Puff filters.
Filters.
Thank you. This is the type of cloth filter that I have, but if your family has little triangular ones, those will work too. You can do it with other types of paper, but cloth filters work best. We're also going to need a glass. We have a glass, a pitcher of water, and a paper towel. A paper towel. Very good. So, first you're going to use your scissors to turn cloth filters into
A circle.
circles, like these. I just cut these right out of the bottom of the coffee filters. Now, we're going to work with one coffee filter at a time. You're just going to draw a little line almost at the bottom using one of your black markers. Thomas, will you draw the line for us? Just connect the two dots. Perfect. Just like this. You're then going to curl it and put it into the glass. Now we're going to pour some water in, but just a little bit. Go ahead, pour some water in. Just a little bit of water. You don't want the water to touch the black line. Good, stop, stop. You just want the water to touch the bottom of the paper, barely touching it. Then you're going to leave it sit. It's going to take a while for the water to get absorbed and spread all the way to the top of the paper. While you're waiting for that, you can use your other black markers to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a little line on the bottom, curl it, and put it in the cup just so that the bottom of the paper touches. We don't want the whole thing in there. We don't want the water to touch the black ink directly. There you go. Put that over here a little bit. There you go. And the last one, put the cap back on for me. Thanks. And the last one, I'm going to draw a line just like that.
I'll fix it with this marker.
Hold on. And put it in there. Again, not letting the water actually touch the black line. We can see, sit up straight. We can see that the water has already started to absorb through the black line, and it's starting to make the markers bleed and spread the ink. So my question for you is, what do you think will happen? Before this is done, I'd like you to go to the forum below and tell me, what do you think will happen as the black marker goes through, as the water goes through the black ink? When the entire paper is wet, remove it and place it on the paper towel so that it can dry. After you're done and you've made your predictions, you can watch the second video below in order to see what mine looked like. Bye-bye. Say bye, Thomas. Wave.